Hello everyone, myself Tapan Patel from PC Research, and today we are going to talk about outlook on bullion. So far we have seen a good rally in gold and silver prices, with gold prices rallying more than 80% in the 2019, and also silver prices have rallied more than 17% from the lows made in May 2019. So going forward, we expect this bullishness to continue over the medium to long term, and that's what we have said in our report. So in our initial buying report, we in or release on dated 29 January, we initiated the bullish coverage on gold, citing targets around 1380, and in June, those targets are achieved. So we reiterated our bullish view and released reports on 6th and 29 June, giving targets of $1,480, and the previous week those targets are also achieved. Now we are again coming up with new targets in gold, and that's what we are going to talk about in gold prices. So far gold prices are looking bullish fundamentally and technically. So looking at the fundamental factors, gold prices are trading higher because of the tensions between US and China. The escalating trade war is causing the safe haven buying in gold prices. So gold prices have witnessed sharp rally after US imposed new tariffs on Chinese goods, and also China devaluating its currency in the retaliation. So this has occurred tremendous inflows from gold ETFs, and this has caused the rally in prices. Another factor is the US Fed stance towards its interest rates. In last meeting, FOMC has cut key interest rates, and we can expect some more cuts in coming months because of the deteriorating economic outlook. And if this trade war is escalating, then we can expect more cuts to support the US economy. So these are the factors which are affecting the prices. Another factor for gold buying is the major central banks are buying gold, and especially China and India are ramping up gold buying. So this buying may continue, and so major central banks are gold buying to maintain their foreign exchange reserves is the main reason for the bullishness in gold prices. So these are the fundamental factors for gold. Looking at the technical chart, in monthly chart, prices have given breakout above 38.2%, which was our initial target of 1380. So above that, prices have sustained very well with moving average crossovers, and prices also crossed the second resistance of 1480. Now we are eyeing the third target of 1580, which is our initial medium term outlook. Above that, we can expect price to touch 1800 levels, which is resistance level of highs made in 2012. So for longer term targets are coming at 1800, and we can expect those levels to come over the next year. So these are the overall outlook for gold prices, and now we can expect this trend to continue over the short to medium term, and buy on dips should be the strategy for gold. And new buying range can be from 1450 to 1420 with support at 1380, and targets, as I said, are 1580 and 1800. At MCX, we can expect gold prices to find new support around 34500 with buying range of 36500 37,000, and the targets coming around 40,800. So this was about gold. Now coming back to silver, and silver price, as I said, have rallied more than 17% from the lows made in 2019, and we can expect this bullishness to continue. So some are the factors which are affecting silver price are the safe haven buying in precious metals, plus investors has taken this as a bargain buying opportunity with gold and silver price ratio rallying towards 92 at the record levels. So investors are considering silver price much cheaper than gold, and with recent rally in the prices, this ratio has come down to 88 from 92, and that's what factors in the prices. So looking at the technical charts, on monthly charts, silver prices has completed 5-wave structure, which has started from 2011 and at the end of 2015, prices have completed 5-wave structure, and currently prices are trading in the corrective ABC pattern. And at the end of 2018, prices have completed the wave B, and now we are eyeing for the completion of wave C around $21. So longer term targets comes at $21. So as per Electwave, looking at the weekly charts, Price have given clear-cut trend line breakout with moving average crossover and supportive directional moving indicators. So we can expect these prices to trade higher above 38.2% retracement level of 16.70, which is already broken, and we can eye for 17.50 and $18.30 in the short term, as I said, and for longer term we can eye for $21. So silver outlook is bullish, as I said, and we can expect that this range to continue towards a higher level of 18.30 and 21 levels, with new buying range of 16.20 and 15.70, with a support of $14.90. At MCX, silver December contract may find support near 38,100 with buying range of 43,000 to 42,000 and targets of 49,900. So overall, as I said, bullion sector is looking bullish, and we expect gold and silver both to continue higher, trade higher towards the target of $1,800 and $21 over the medium to longer term. So this was the overall outlook from our side. This is from my side. Have a happy trading and happy investing.